Hey everyone, it's great to be back with another video. Today, we are going to be talking about a really exciting topic: recurring commission reviews. If you're interested in making money online, then this is definitely something you're going to want to pay attention to. What is a recurring commission? First things first, let's define what we mean by recurring commission. Essentially, it's a commission that you earn over and over again for a single sale or referral. This is different from a one-time commission, which you only earn once. For example, let's say you refer someone to a subscription service that charges $20 per month. If the service offers a 10% recurring commission, then you would earn $2 every month for as long as that person remains a customer. Why recurring commissions are great? So, why are recurring commissions so great? Well, there are a few reasons. First, they can add up quickly. If you refer a lot of people to a subscription service that offers a recurring commission, then your earnings can really start to snowball. Second, they provide a more stable income stream. With one-time commissions, you're always having to look for new customers in order to keep earning money. But with recurring commissions, you can earn money from the same customers over and over again. Finally, recurring commissions can be a great way to build a passive income stream.
Make monthly recurring commissions into our accounts, so we're guaranteed to get paid month after month. And it's not just me having incredible success with the recurring commission system. I'm now proud to say I've got a network of members across the globe, all getting great results just like myself, earning monthly commissions, which mean I know that you'll also be able to do this too. But before you get your hands on the system, I want to take you back to March 2018. It was around the time when I was a little lost in my business. Nothing was really working for me. I'd run out of ideas and ultimately my income had completely dried up. So I decided to go along to a secret marketing event called Funnel Hacking Live, hosted by one of the biggest affiliate marketing companies in the world called ClickFunnels, in search of some fresh ideas. And it was at this event that what I learned about promoting recurring affiliate programs changed everything about how I looked at marketing and making money online. I was given access to an underground system which has become the foundations of my online business since that day in 2018. And I knew immediately that once I'd implemented the system, I'd never have to worry about money again. In a nutshell, I was given a done-for-you system that taps into the highly profitable world of recurring affiliate programs. This system allows us to promote these programs that pay us monthly recurring commissions. We recommend a service or software to people who are looking to make money online and build a business. And then, when they make the purchase, we lock in monthly recurring commissions from that initial sale. We're able to do this without spending a dime of our own money in the process and working just as hard as I used to make those measly one-off $7 commissions. You know, why go to the trouble of promoting an affiliate product to only make a $7 commission when I can make monthly recurring commissions that is guaranteed cash in my bank account with the exact same effort? Low-ticket one-time offers are an easy sell,